In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook Music Story not showing. If you get in a problem like this one, the main point as you get off from your Facebook, it is to go into your Play Store on your site selection, which is right here. Then on the search box, without wasting any time, you need simply to go and type for Facebook. And as you go on that last site selection, it is to make sure that you have the latest version of Facebook. If you have an option which is open, it will take you to the main point. But if you have an option which is update, you need simply to get on that selection and get the latest version. As you get done with all that stuff, the main point after you get with all that stuff, it is to go into your settings site on your phone, which is right here. And as you get there, you need simply to scroll down and go for applications. Then as you get right there, you're gonna type for Facebook. And as you go on your Facebook selection, which is on that point, it is to go into your right session. And simply right from here, guys, as I said, you can go clear the cache and all that stuff from here, but the main point it is to go and uninstall the application and then reinstall it back. Or if you have an iPhone, you can take the same process automatically with offloading the application.